Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. As the chilly winds herald the arrival of winter, it's the perfect time to cozy up the interiors with Magnolia Farms-inspired decor. Embracing the rustic yet sophisticated charm of farmhouse aesthetics, these interior design ideas evoke warmth and a serene winter vibe throughout your home. Magnolia Farms style is all about simplicity mixed with elegance. It fosters a welcoming atmosphere without overwhelming the senses. Adding elements like textured throws, plush cushions, and thoughtfully placed lighting enriches the visual appeal while enhancing the comfort factor. This season, encapsulate the beauty of winter within your living space by experimenting with subtle yet impactful enhancements. Consider integrating soft whites and muted tones that mirror winter's crispness, accented by the natural hues of wooden elements. For those who appreciate a blend of practicality and beauty, Magnolia Farms style offers a blueprint for a space that feels homey and chic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy and elegant design inspirations for every season.